Good afternoon. I am coming to you today to show you how I made these cute calendars. I sent these to my club members and I just wanted to show you how to make them. So I'm gonna turn it over and show you how it looks. So it stands up perfectly. And here's another one. This one I use Lost Lagoon and the Serene, now I can't remember what the name of it is. The Serene Love Designer Series paper. This is paper that was redone and in different colors, and it's an online exclusive. So if you're interested, it's called Serene Love. And the number on it is 166261. And so I thought I would show you how to make these calendars today. They're very quick and easy and simple. So I'll give you the measurements first and then I'll go through and make one. So these are the two calendars I made using the Serene Love, and the one I'm going to be using today is called Delightful Floral, and it's in the new mini catalog, and it's Floral Delight. I got it backwards. And I'm going to be using the yellow gingham, the Daffodil Delight gingham, and as you can see, this paper is just gorgeous. So first of all, I'll give you the measurements, and then I will have the measurements down below so that you can see them. So we're going to start with a piece of Daffodil Delight that is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 1/2, 3.5, 6.5, and 7.5. So you could take a picture of that, but I will have the measurements below. And then we're gonna have a piece of basic white that is 5 3/8 by 2 7/8. And then the gingham, the yellow gingham from the Floral Delight Designer Series paper, which is 5 1/4 by 2 3/4. And then we're going to have a piece of Daffodil Delight that is 3 1/8 by 2 3/8, and this will back the calendar. And the calendars I purchased from Tailored Expressions. They're about 53 cents, I think, a piece. And they're 3 inches by 2 1/4. That's Tailored Expressions, and I'll put that below too. And then we'll have two pieces, one that is basic white circle, and that is cut with a 1 3/4 inch circle punch, and a Daffodil Delight that is 2 inches, cut with a 2-inch circle punch. Okay, so we'll get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna score the Daffodil Delight, and we're gonna start out at 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch, and I'm using my scoring tool, which is the light gray on my trimmer, my paper trimmer, and 3.5, 6.5, and 7.5. Get that even. So I don't need that anymore. Now I'm going to fold on my score line. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to score this, and I forgot my bone folder, but I'll just do it with my fingers. And then I'm going to score this, and then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to score the 6.5 here. And on the 7.5, I'm going to turn that the other way. So I'm going to make a valley fold out of that. The other ones are mountain folds. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, I'm going to put some tear and tape. I'm using tear and tape because this will, and I'm going to put the tear and tape on this tab right here. So I'm using our tear and tape, and get it off. And as you can know, this is tear and tape, so I'm going to put this right here. And then just tear it off. Then I'm going to take the backing off of the tear and tape, and I'm going to fold this one that is fold the valley fold. I'm going to put that right here and make that a good crease. So that is the base for your calendar. Okay, so then the first thing we're going to do is add the Daffodil Delight, the Floral Delight, to the basic white. So I'm going to add this to the basic white, and I'm going to get that in the, so you can see it, and I'm just going to add that there. And then this will be added to the front of the calendar. And I purposely, so this is the back part, which it has the seam. So we're going to use the front, and I'm just going to add this right here. Okay. Then I'm going to add the calendar to the Daffodil Delight piece, and I'm going to use some tear and tape on that just so that it holds good, because it will get some use when the pages are torn off. So I'll take the backing off on those. Make sure I'm in the window. There we go. And then this will be added to the Daffodil Delight. And then I'm going to add some tear and tape also to this so that it sticks well. Tear and tape is probably the best tape we have for 3D projects. You can use Seal Plus, but I didn't have it handy, so I'm just using the tear and tape. It's my favorite. And then I'm just going to add this real close to the edge right there and line it up, because now I have the goods with the... Okay, so then the stamp set I'm using and the sentiment I'm using, so on these I used I'll show you in the catalog. I used Labeled with Love, and I used the Enjoy Today on these. So Enjoy Today on these. And that is on page 58 in the annual catalog. This one I'm going to use Have a Lovely Day. This will go for every day. So I'm going to stamp that. I'm just going to use the Memento, Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And I'm going to just center that on my 1 3/4 inch circle. And then I'll just add some seal to that and put that on. And then I'm just gonna put it on with dimensionals. It's easy to do and they stick really well. So just take the backing off of the dimensionals, and here we go. Have a lovely day. So there's our calendar. See how quick and easy that is? Just a few steps and you have a really nice giftable calendar. So I hope you enjoyed this, and that if you find you can make some of these, that would be great. They make wonderful gifts. Thank you for watching.